Yo, what is up, everybody? It's Prince TV here, and before we get right into the video, this is a prank that I did at school earlier today. So before we get right into it, make sure to subscribe right here, like the video, turn on post notifications, and let's get right into it. Yo, what's up, everybody? It's Prince TV here, and today we are going to do the fake sneeze prank. And I got my boy AQJ here.
Yeah.
And you guys ready? Here we go. Come down here and get a good view. Start right there for me.
What do you want person? What color do you want?
Good job.
Oh my! Bro, you
Look, they got both of them.
I just forgot.
Played with it. I'm not playing with you. I played with this kid.
Go, you go first.
I think this is her, right?
Go. Yeah.
Like, you down here seeing
No,
it,
you
like,
go, you go.
Hey, I got birds.
Just gotta, bro, so guess what? Over there. Hey.
Alright, go on.
Hey, come here.
No, come here. Hey, you want to see her video? Her reaction?
I got you.
Right.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm having bad allergies.
No way!
Sorry. I have bad allergies. She was like,
So, like, were you mad when I did it?
No.
Why? Nice play,
That was
bro.
good.
That was good.
Just do her. Do her.
You're a hoe. You know?
What the heck, bro?